Can Sony TV do split screen? Sony smart TVs do not have a built-in split screen feature for watching two different sources simultaneously. However, some older Sony Bravia models and select Android TV or Google TV models may support picture-in-picture (PIP) or multi-view, allowing limited split screen functionality. If your TV does not support this feature, alternative methods like casting, external devices, or third-party apps can be used. 1. Checking split screen or multi-view compatibility on Sony TV. To check if your Sony TV supports split screen or PIP mode, press the Home button on the remote. Navigate to Settings, then Display and Sound, then Picture-in-Picture, if available. If the option exists, you may be able to watch one source in a smaller window while using another input. If the option is missing, your TV does not have built-in split screen support. 2. Alternative ways to get split screen on Sony TV. If your Sony TV does not have a native split screen mode, try these alternatives. Use a streaming device, Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Apple TV that supports multitasking or picture-in-picture features. Connect two devices to different HDMI ports and switch between them quickly using the remote's Input button. Use a laptop or PC with HDMI and enable split screen mode on the computer to display two windows side by side. Use a cable box or satellite receiver with multi-view mode, if supported. 3. How to use picture-in-picture mode, if available. Step 1. Start playing content from one input source, such as live TV or an HDMI device. Step 2. Press the Options button on the remote. Step 3. Select Picture-in-Picture, or PIP, if the option is available. Step 4. The first screen will shrink into a small window, allowing you to use another input in the background. Step 5. Move or resize the smaller window using the arrow keys on the remote. 4th. Third-party apps for split screen on Sony TV. If your Sony TV does not support split screen, you can try multitasking apps from the Google Play Store, such as X Multi-Window or Floating Apps, if your TV runs Android TV. Streaming services with built-in multi-view, like YouTube TV or certain sports apps, which allow multiple streams at once. Screen mirroring two devices, where one device plays content while another shares a second screen using AirPlay or Chromecast. Sony smart TVs do not natively support split screen, but picture-in-picture mode, external devices, and apps can help achieve similar functionality. Checking for built-in options or using workarounds like a PC, streaming devices, or third-party apps can provide a multi-screen experience.